Hey, welcome to Tech Factuala, where you can stay up to date with the latest progress of technologies and gadgets. The Moto G9 Power, a budget smartphone with one standout feature, has been announced by Motorola as a big 6000 mAh battery that Motorola claims to offer up to 60 hours of battery life. Feel the ease of going on a single charge for many days. The 6000 mAh is the biggest battery ever to travel without thinking about recharging. Fuel up easily to get hours of power in minutes with TurboPower 20 charging. But that's not the only feature they announced. If you want to be updated about top technologies, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this in the future. Just click on that bell icon to stay updated of when we post next. Now, let's begin with reviewing the Moto G9 Power. Introducing Moto G9 Power and its industry-leading 600 mAh battery with a single charge lasting up to 60 hours. With a 64MP triple camera setup, you still have the correct camera for the right moment. On a 6.8-inch max vision monitor, enjoy all your favorite movies, shows, games, and more. And get 128GB of storage, so you can have space for everything. Moto G9 Power offers a good standby time, and a whole lot more is for you. Moto G Power versus Moto G9 Power. The Moto G Power provides spare battery life, but a sequel that promises even greater longevity than is already available. The Moto G9 Power, a low-cost version of the G9 with a 6000 mAh battery, was unveiled by Motorola. That is the largest ever in one of the company's phones, and substantially larger than the G Power 5000 mAh set. About Moto G9 Power. The enormous battery is enough to give 60 hours between charges, or around 2.5 days, Motorola says. Depending on the circumstances, it is likely to differ. The company claims this represents mixed use in ideal network conditions. But there is a real possibility that it might last a weekend with some energy to spare. The Moto G9 Power is very much a modern Motorola budget handset. It revolves around a wide 6.8-inch HD+ screen, a relatively modest 662 chip from Snapdragon, 4GB of RAM, and an expendable storage of 128GB. There is a 64MP main rear camera, a 2MP macro camera, and a 2MP depth sensor, with a 16MP front camera for selfies, with pixel bending to boost low-light shots. You will not find a 5G or wireless charging, and Motorola says the G9 Power is still running Android 10. Just 20 watts fast charging over a wired connection. Water repellent. If you are caught out in the rain, it is water repellent. Yes, Motorola also says the device has water repellent design that protects against accidental spills and splashes, but that will not hold up to submersion in water. A camera for every shot. 4MP primary rear camera, a 2MP macro camera, and a 2MP depth sensor, with a 16MP front camera for selfies, with pixel bending to boost low-light shots, so that in any light you can capture sharper, brighter, higher-res images. You can also take professional-looking portraits and incredibly detailed close-ups. The correct camera is still right at your fingertips, regardless of the situation. Before we continue, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel and you have that bell icon pressed to know when we post next. Enjoy the rest. Ultra-wide display. With a large screen that is perfect for hours of video chatting, playing sports, or binge watching your favorite TV shows, go easy on your eyes. The 6.8-inch Max Vision HD+ monitor has a broader aspect ratio, providing an immersive experience of entertainment for anything to watch. Performance and storage. Capture photos, play games, and multitask between different apps with ease, thanks to lag-free performance from a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor and 4GB of RAM. Plus, never give storage a second thought with the 128GB built in. And you can always add up to 512GB more using a micro SD card. Multitasking with the new Motorola Moto G9 Power. Motorola claims that with their new Swipe to Split feature, users can now use two apps in a quick gesture. Watch a video and chat with your friend at the same time. Budget phone. In the already overcrowded budget smartphone market, Motorola has been working hard over the last few years to find itself a stable space. Amazingly, for a 6000 mAh battery and 20 watts fast charging support, Moto G9 Power is set at a lower price. It is very much a modern Motorola budget phone that is available with such a good battery standard in Europe for only £200. Its charming colors. It's available in two colors, electric violet and metallic sage, and supports up to 20-watt charging speeds. So this was our review of the Moto G9 Power. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you can join the Tech Factuala squad and be a part of our channel. Thanks for watching.